Hey, Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you're all having a good time. Let's do a short review about this new model from Siku Super in a 150 scale. The VW T1 Transporter Custom, and I love the black with the flames here on the side, old school custom. €17.99. I bought it at my local toy store. It's very important to support your local toy store. Sometimes you have to pay a little bit more, but trust me, if that local toy store is gone, you will feel the pain. Okay, so here the package, here you see what is possible, opening doors. Here you see some specs of the real version. Oh, we also have a bottom here, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Siku also has a website. Always interesting to watch what they have. Yeah, box packaging, I like that. No screws. Just open the package and you can take the model out. Wow, it feels very heavy. That's a good thing. These lights here are painted, and we even have a license plate in black. I like that, and the Volkswagen logo in the front. Good big steering wheel inside. That's very important. See, this is the interior. Very basic, just like the real version. Yeah, those flames are fantastic. Very good rolling rubber wheels. Yeah. The base is made out of plastic. There's no scale here on the base. Of course, it was on the package, but you should expect that it's also on the base. Here we see the back. Yeah, we got the license plate Volkswagen here, painted rear lights, a tow bar, and here on the side you see it's the same, but here we got an opening part. We got some space inside. You can hide something. You can hide something in it from your girlfriend or your parents. Very handy. Yeah, it rolls really well. What a beautiful model. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.